Hey, Nissan Rogue owners. I've got a quick but important update for you, especially if you drive a Rogue from a model year that might be affected by a recent Technical Service Bulletin, or TSB for short. Now, before you get worried, let's clear something up. This isn't a recall. A TSB, like NTB20-043a with NHTSA ID 10186843, is basically Nissan's way of telling service techs about a known issue and how to fix it, without making it a legal requirement. So you won't get a recall letter in the mail and there's no safety compliance deadline. Here's what the bulletin covers. It's all about your air intake duct assembly. On certain Rogues, Nissan wants mechanics to check for a specific retention clip in the air duct. If it's there, you're good. If it's missing, they'll need to swap out some older duct parts for new ones, following the official service manual. Let's dive deeper into what can actually go wrong with the air intake duct assembly, and why this TSB matters. The air intake duct is responsible for channeling clean, filtered air into your engine. If the retention clip is missing or the duct isn't secured properly, the duct can become loose or even disconnect entirely. This can lead to a few noticeable symptoms. You might hear a whistling or hissing noise coming from under the hood, especially when accelerating. Some owners have reported odd airflow sounds, or even a drop in engine performance. In more severe cases, the disconnected tube can let unfiltered air into the engine, which isn't just noisy, it can actually cause long-term engine wear or trigger a check engine light. Why does this happen? The original design of the air intake duct on some Rogues didn't always include a strong enough retention clip, or the clip could be installed incorrectly at the factory. Over time, vibrations from driving can work the duct loose if it's not properly secured. That's why it's so important to get this fix done. A secure air intake duct keeps your engine running smoothly, protects it from dirt and debris, and helps you avoid annoying noises or costly repairs down the road. Now, real talk, people on Reddit and forums have noticed issues like disconnected tubes, whistling noises, or strange airflow, sometimes after a dealer visit. If your Rogue was serviced with older parts, the updated version might be installed free or with just a small fee. And yes, the clip itself is cheap, but stick with Nissan parts for the best fix. So what should you do? Call your Nissan dealer and mention NTB20-043a. Ask them to check your air intake duct, especially if you've heard weird noises or noticed airflow problems. Tell them it's a TSB, not a recall, but see if it's covered under warranty. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment down below if you've had this issue. Stay safe out there.